Welcome to our video on how to use Filmora's AI music generator. Today, we'll explore how you can create custom soundtracks quickly and easily. Soundtracks are essential in video creation, setting the tone and enhancing the viewer's emotional experience. Let's take a look at the powerful features of Filmora's AI music generator, designed to help you craft the perfect soundtrack. Start by opening Filmora and navigating to the music generator section within the interface. It's easy to find. Next, select the genre and mood you want for your track. Whether it's upbeat or calm, Filmora offers diverse options. Filmora's AI tools let you customize instrumentation and tempo, allowing for a truly unique soundtrack. Now, let's see how to generate a soundtrack using the AI music generator in just a few easy steps. After generating your soundtrack, it's time to incorporate it into your video project seamlessly. Explore additional editing options in Filmora for fine-tuning your soundtrack to perfection. Remember the best practices for syncing your music with video elements. Timing is everything. Now it's your turn to experiment with the AI music generator in Filmora. Get creative and enjoy the process.